What if you could analyze
Hello, 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 everybody. Can you guys hear me? So drop a yes in the chat if you can hear me. I need a lot of yeses. Oh my god. Oh, okay, we got 700 watching right now. Damn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You. Okay, okay. We have 660 watching, guys. Drop a like so that we can start. I'm not gonna waste your time, to be honest, because your time is precious, mine also. So yeah. Okay, okay. So before we dive in, Uh, I want to tell you what's up, people. Welcome to the official stream of the Web Development Hackathon, hosted by yours truly, Tutedude. And I'm Salman, your host today, where I'll be explaining you the problem statement and I'll be guiding you how to do it, what to do it. And yeah, that's the whole point of it. Okay? So before we diving, tell me where you're tuning in from. Where are you guys from? I wanna know where you guys are from. Jodhpur, Bihar, Chennai. Oh, damn, it's just going by. Wow, wow. Okay, 800 watching, guys. Drop a like. Drop a like. 800 watching. Pakistan, Maharashtra, Chennai, Jodhpur, Lucknow, Bangalore, Hyderabad, West Bengal, L Kolkata. Wow, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Coimbatore, Pune. Damn, guys, awesome, awesome, awesome. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Done. So, what do you guys do? I guys just, are you guys students, working professionals, or a confused coder, whatever? So, what are you guys? Employed, students. Okay, we got a lot of students. Okay, amazing. IIT Kanpur. Okay, amazing. First year confused student. Hacker, coder. Okay, coder, student, Jamshedpur. Oh my God, 12th pass, IIT Kharagpur. Student freelancer, Vela, Vela, noob, developer, shiz, lot of people. Bhai, I can't even read everybody's chat. We have a lot of people here. So this time we have a lot of people for the hackathon. So we got 1K views, guys. We have 1,000 viewers right now. So drop a like and I'm just starting up. Okay, so tell me this. Is this your first hackathon or no? Is this your first hackathon? Web development hackathon, I'd say specifically. No, yes, no, yeah. Oh, damn. भाई कितने लोग? Yes. Okay. Okay, first hackathon to be okay. If the no guys, the guys that sent no, so yeah, you are starting with the best hackathon. Okay, I'm not just telling it by air. I'm just telling you guys that this would be the best hackathon for you guys. Okay, second hackathon, Kanpur topic. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, guys. So okay. Yeah, okay. So, and if not your first hackathon, what's the coolest project you have built so far? You can just tell the topic or a specific domain that you did a project in AI or whatever, right? So me personally, I work on AI projects. What about you? SIH winner, awesome. SIH winner. AGI prediction, AI recruiter, AI based content creation, smart order management. Oh shit. And gesture media controller, web dev, traffic management. automatic parking system, honeymoon hazard. Yeah, bro. Built a custom, okay. Just give us idea, nothing. See, guys, one more thing I wanna say. See, this is Friday night, okay? I know you might be busy, but this is a hackathon, which is for 48 hours. So now you should not be telling me, show me the idea, show me the idea. This is the whole process where I have to explain you. So you have to respect my time and your time. I respect your time. So I'll complete it in 30 minutes mostly. Okay. So just interact with each other. That's the first point of communication. Okay, you have to interact with each other, especially me, so that I get the energy to explain it in the best way possible, right? So yeah, let's not do boring stuff. Let's no, this might be boring for you guys, but yeah, I try to be better. Okay, networking. Okay, okay. Oh, hackathon finalist. Do fast. No, Zaki, I can't do fast. Not ASAP. Also, there's a specific timeline we have set, so it'll go that way only. But yeah, I can promise it'll be done. Will be done by 30 to 40 minutes. Because see, the first point of hackathon is communication. You have see the as I said, hackathon has already started. That is 7 p.m. right? Now let's say this was an offline hackathon. No one would open their mouths and they'll show the idea, right? So yeah, wait karo thoda sa. We have lot of people, na. That's why I will be showing you with a complete understanding of your problem statement. Okay, don't worry about it. WhatsApp group full. You can contact the admin. Yeah. So they'll add you to a new group. Don't worry. बोलना बे. No, नहीं बोलूँगा. Okay, Jamil Tech Titans is here. हाय. चलो ठीक है करते हैं वेट क्या. चलो ना डॉट 20 चलो ठीक है करते हैं वेट. Can you send the link for registration? Now it's over, dude. This is Jatin. No, no, no. This is Salman. Okay, आपका नाम क्या है? I'm Salman, guys. And I'm your host for all the hackathons. So I've been hosting for you guys, and yeah, 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 yeah. So what's the worst thing? भाई तो very good. Okay, भाई कहाँ से हो? I'm from Chennai, guys. Gonna win. Okay. So what's the worst thing you guys don't like about hackathons? Someone will say the delay in showing the problem statement. I know, but I can't do anything. I'll show you the problem statement. Don't worry. Deadlines. Yeah, obviously you have to work under pressure, right? Jay Sri Ram, Himanshu Singh, face reveal. Hey, no, bro, no, no, no. So whoever is just telling me, show. I mean, let's start. This is for you guys. So yeah, okay, okay. So yeah, रुको सबर कर लो थोड़ा. I'll show you the problem statement. Is AI allowed? I'll just explain you guys everything, so don't worry. Yeah, I'm going to explain everything for you guys. I'm starting in 1 minute, guys. I'm starting in 1 minute. Don't worry. Okay, if you guys are up, if you guys are ready to start, drop a ready in the chat. We have 1.5k people, no, 1.2k people watching. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. Yup, ready, 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 ready. A lot of people are ready. तो बोल दो चक दे इंडिया. Yes. Okay, I'm starting now. Let's get started. Yep. So, web development hackathon. See, let's talk real for a second, okay? So why are we doing this hackathon? Why does Tutedude does a lot of hackathons like web development hackathon is there, buildathon is there, designathon is there. Even marketing people are gonna have a hackathon. Okay. So yeah. Now, why are we doing this? See, this is not for cloud, not for some shiny banner, right? So we are doing this because most students never get to build real things. है ना? So you guys will accept this because you might have not built real things yet, and yeah, they just keep watching tutorials and yeah, their soul evaporates. Okay, so the problem with other traditional hackathons is that you get a problem and they'll tell you what solution they want. That means I'll tell that I have a problem with X, I want a Y. So, but here at TuTube, this hackathon, these hackathons, not only this specific hackathons, every hackathon that we do, this flips that. So here you won't be spoon-fed a ready-made prompt with a step-by-step instruction. Nope. So you'll be given a real-world problem, a raw, messy, vague, like just like in real startups, in actual startups, how things work in actual startups, right? So that's how things work here. So yeah, you got to, I mean, you got to wear that builder hat, the detective hat, and yeah, even the frustrated QA tester hat. Everything you have to do. So the point here is you will be solving a hyper local issue, a real world problem, and you'll be building a product. That means a completely functional product and not a prototype. Here you can use AI, whatever you want, as long as it works. That's the whole point of it. And the ultimate goal that we have in mind is you need to think like a builder. We want you to think like a builder and not just as a developer. Okay? We want you to work as a product team. That's the whole idea behind it. Okay? So are you guys excited now? Did I explain it well for you guys? Yes. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So whatever questions you have, some will ask participation certificate hai kya, some will ask X, some will ask Y. Everything I'll tell you guys in the end. Okay. So boom. Now ready for the problem. So since I gave you a issue, a hyper local issue, what do you guys think could be the problem? What do you guys think? Guess the problem. Since I gave you hyper local issue, hyper local, right? So yeah, फूड बेस्ड चोरी बताना है. ओके. कुछ सिंस. ओके. हाइपर लोकल हेल्थ रिलेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयड. मराठी. ओके. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. कोर्स सेलिंग. ओके. भाई यार, someone please laugh at whose joke? Sagar's joke. He's trying to put that joke up for a long time. जल्दी बताओ, पनवेल निकलना. नया लाओ भाई. ओके. नेक्स्ट. ओके. झट. तन्मय डोले भाई. तन्मय डोले, this is cool bro. You can create this solution. Okay, now the point is, tell me this. I have a question for you. Drop a yes in the chat if you have ever eaten street food. pav bhaji, momos, golgappe, or whatever you would like to tell. Right? Have you guys? Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, canteen management. Yes, yes. Okay, a lot of people have it. Pani puri. Okay, pav bhaji, golgappe. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now, now imagine this. You are biting into that hot samosa, or you are just gulping that golgappa. But behind that taste is a street vendor struggling to even get clean raw materials at the right price from a trusted source. Okay, and their supply chain is a mess. So there are no fixed prices, no quality guarantee, no digital proof, nothing, right? No follow-ups for them. And what about hygiene checks? Lol, right? On the other side, suppliers, the ones that give the vendors the money, sorry, not the money, the raw materials, right? Suppliers itself are clueless who they are even supplying to. Okay, there's zero visibility, random orders, late payments, right? And no follow-ups, right? So that's the whole point of this. Now, India's street food scene is fire, but the sourcing isn't. Okay, so some guys here might relate to this momo shop, right? Do you guys relate to it? So what we are solving here is India's street food scene is fire, but the sourcing isn't. Now moving on, you know, right? These people they have those street food thing, dolly chai wala and vada pav. Okay, so now I think you guys might relate, right? The whole point of it. So we are trying to solve for these people the raw materials part of it, how they source raw materials, and for the suppliers who give them those materials. So you need to bridge this gap between these two people in the best way possible. Not only that you created a web app where it connects both things. No, everybody can do that. What unique feature can you bring in that can just elevate the whole experience? Okay. So your challenge is simple. You need to build a web app that bridges this gap. And we're not giving to give you the whole brief. Okay. You need to solve for street food. Okay. Vendors struggle to get good, affordable raw materials. And there are no platforms, no trust, no structure. What we want to see is, can your solution fix this? Everybody can create a full experience, but what is something that you can add in your solution which could just make everybody wow? It could be your own startup. You can make it an own start, make it your own startup because there is no proper startup for this specific domain yet, right? Do you guys agree? Did you guys get my point? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Only front end, everything I'll explain, guys. Don't worry. Now, what's your job? This is an open-ended challenge. Open-ended challenge in the sense we just gave you the problem, and we're not telling you that we need this or we need that. It's your job to do whatever you want to do. We have given you this challenge that street food vendors have a problem with bringing in raw materials from trusted and cheap vendors, right? How would you bridge this gap? How would you find cheap vendors? What are the algorithms that you might use? So that's the whole point of it. Okay. Now, your job is to explore this whole ecosystem because what I just gave you is one big problem. It has 100 tiny ones, and you have to find those tiny ones, and you have to find those crucial pain points and build a web app that solves it. It should be functional. Wait, I'll come to that also. Now, important points. This is what I want to tell. So the point is, this is not to make a portfolio piece. Okay, this is not just okay, बना दिया portfolio में लगा दो. This is build something useful thing. Okay, you can make a startup out of it if you are ready. Anima, whatever AI tool that's there where you can just give the prompt and it'll create your website. Now you might think, hey, what's the point of this hackathon? The point of this hackathon is to see how well you can find a problem out of that one big problem, and how well you can solve it with what feature, what unique is with your feature, right? And how well is the experience. Okay, that's the whole point that I wanted to make. Secondly, since we are allowing you to use AI tools, and since this is a hackathon, your solution must be fully functional. Fully functional in the sense they should not be placeholders. They shouldn't, like, the button should be clickable. If I am clicking onto something, it should work. Okay, because if you are doing something half built stuff, boom, bye, you are getting half marks only. Okay, and the main part is every feature must work. Now you guys might do this where you'll add a ton of features, and then what happens, uh some features might be half baked because you just added a lot of features and you just focused on some features. Don't do that. Take five features or two features, whatever, even one feature works, but that one feature should work completely along with the edge cases. It should satisfy all the edge cases. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole point of it. Also, it should be hosted live. That means live hosting is mandatory, because if we can't use your app, we can't judge it, right? That's the whole point. So yeah, now we are not judging your dev skills, guys. Again, I'm telling, since we allowed you to use AI, we are not judging your dev skills. We are looking for how you thought about the user, how you thought about the whole experience, how your flow solves the actual friction in this problem, and how usable and functional your UI is. Okay. See, you are not coders here. In this web development hackathon, we are not looking for coders to solve a problem. You are product builders. Okay. So work like a product team. Think, design, develop, and execute it as much as possible. Okay, so are you guys clear? Are you guys clear with it? Drop a yes if you can. Kartikeya Verma, you're telling you did not understand the problem. See, in a clear way, you guys might know Pani Puri wala, Golgappa wala, right? So that guy feeds you some good food, but the raw materials that he gets for making it for you, how how will he get that from other people, right? Did you get it? So that's the whole thing. The supplier, the vendor, and the supplier, bridging the gap between these two. Please tell Stack clearly. Stack is open. You can do whatever you want, wherever you want to publish. Okay, we have 388 votes that 71% of people are clear, right? How should we? Yeah, you can use Vercel, you can use Netlify, and whatever you want to use. All right. So now let's have a quick detour. Some might get offended now. Some might be like, "What? ऐसा ठीक है?" So since you are here, let's talk about how you can actually upskill without going broke. Ta-da! So yeah, Tutedude is behind all of these hackathons, and we are trying to help students with a lot of things, not only courses, but with these hackathons also. We're trying to bridge the gap in the best way possible. So yeah, let me introduce you to Tutedude. So it'll just be take 5 minutes for me. Just be attentive. So yeah. Now, Tutedude is an edtech startup, guys, by IIT Delhi alumni. Okay, which is a cool thing because they know how stuff works, right? So they started it. Now, yeah, we have got 25 plus courses in development, design, business, and IT. Let me just share you the website. Okay. So yeah, we now have 42 plus courses, guys. 42 plus, sorry, not 25. 42 plus courses. You'll get all the things. That is, design is there, development is there, IT is there, business is there. Now, since you guys are from development background, you can just go to development. You even game development is there, right? So now you might think, hey, this could be costly. This could be, no. So all for every course is just 699 for you. Okay. And here's the twist. So let's say this is the whole thing, but here's the twist for you. You get that 699 back. Yup, exactly. You pay to enroll. Okay, that means let me just go below. You enroll by paying 699, which is cool, and then you complete the course within 3 months, and then you get 100% refund back into your bank account, right? So it's we can just give you that back that money, but we wanted to make you feel like a challenge. So we wanted it like a challenge. Either you learn or you lose nothing, right? So that's the whole thing. And it doesn't stop there. So this refund offer was a cool thing, right? This 699 where you just enroll into any course. Let's say system design is there. Even system design, guys. Nobody gives you system design for 6 months. Why am I talking like a salesman, bro? Okay, let's just move to dashboard. So there's Tutedude's dashboard where your enroll courses, even you can compete with others, or you can resume your course. I'll not go into the course now. The best part, amazing part, which nobody is offering right now, is that we hired some good people, good developers, game design people, where we have built this crazy 2D virtual campus. So think like Amazon, Among Us is there, na, that game. So exactly like that, we have created this whole experience for you. Now, see, it's stupidly fun and super useful. Where, let's say, this is me, right? This feels like a game. Now, let's say you have mentor rooms for these courses. For now, we have mentor rooms for these courses, but we are planning to come up with more for every course. Now, let's say I have doubt in, say, MERN. I'll just go to MERN, and our mentor is there. You can just share your screen by clicking here, and you can ask them the doubts, right? So now let's say I want to continue my course. I'll just go here. I'll start learning. So see the dashboard open from here also, right? So everybody can join and you can go and ask doubts or you can study with each other. Let's say, see this guy, I can just talk with this person, whoever is it. Hey bro, how are you? And the other person also talks. You can see the aura between us, right? The light between us both. So if I go near him, it'll get connected. So we built this whole virtual campus from scratch for just for you guys, so that you get the whole learning experience in a different way possible. So now, end of the whole thing where we talk. Okay, let's just go here. See, you guys saw the mentors, right? Python mentor is there, DA mentor is there. So yeah, now let's move on to the whole point. Now, again, there's a twist for you guys. And what that twist is, you can enroll into any course or any bundle and you get 200 rupees off. And that code is hack 200. Okay. And before showing it to you guys, I want to show you one more thing. And that thing is, let me just go below, right? You have combo packs also. That means if I want to be a full stack developer, you can get this whole combo pack. You can have all access pack just for 4,000. You'll get, I think, 42 courses for just for 4,000. There people are giving full stack development for 40,000 or something. I don't know why, how, right? So okay, enough of giving you this whole gyan. Now I know I bored you guys, but yeah, the whole thing is this is the code you can use and buy your course or whatever. But here's the twist again. Again, there's a twist that this course is valid till 11:59 p.m. That is till the end of the day. So yeah, just yeah, go for it, right? So now let's get back to our problem statement. Now bonus is there for you guys. The bonus points thing. Now let's talk about 10 plus bonus points for you. All you gotta do is post your work on LinkedIn. Okay, I know what you're thinking. I mean, 10 points for a LinkedIn post. Are we joking? No. See, because when you post your project, right, on LinkedIn, you build your own brand, first of all. You build credibility. You invite collabs. Collabs in the sense, what if some other guy or a big CEO, whatever, a startup guy sees your work and he actually likes your work, you could land a collab with him, or maybe even land a freelance gig from them. But what I'd like to tell you guys is, don't just dump a screenshot of your solution that doesn't work. You have to tell a story, right? You have to tell what you built, why, and what challenges you faced exactly. So what you learned, and most important, you have to tag dude, or we can't count your points because we won't be able to see your post, right? So you have to tag us. Now moving on, the hackathon schedule, it started today. It has started actually, and it ends on July 27, 11:59. Submission deadline is that. Next week, within 1 week, we will give you the whole winners list. And yeah, the top prize is, now what you have to submit? You have to submit just three things. So we reduced the from previous hackathon experience. We listened to those people who gave feedback. So now we just want three things. First is a deployed public web app. The link should work, and the credentials, because people actually give login IDs and that login actually doesn't work. Okay, so you have to give us login credentials somehow in your GitHub repo, or some way you have to give us the login ID if you are using login. And secondly, a 5 minute solution demo video where you show your work. Here, most people what they do is they just open their website and then just continuously show every screen. We don't want that. We don't want to see your login screen. Please don't show us your login screens, guys. We are not interested in that. What we want to see is how well you thought about your problem. Why did you choose that problem? Okay, and show the core features of your solution, not the login. We don't care about your login stuff, right? Just show us the solution and the amazing features that you have built, and every feature should be fully working, and it should also satisfy the edge cases in the sense, what if that happened with this feature, so that cases, okay? And your GitHub repo. Otherwise, we can't, I mean, we won't be able to know that this has been copied from some other GitHub thing or whatever. Since you're using AI, that's an exception. But yeah. Now, how to win? See, as I said, I gave you the one big problem. In last hackathon, what people did was they just chose that one big problem and try to solve for it. Don't do that. First, pick this problem, break it down into tiny ones. Okay, and yeah, have one unique thing that makes us wow. Okay, at least one unique feature, and you have to test it with people. And yeah, keep it small but working. Don't over explain your buttons in your demo video. Explain the impact. As I said, tell the problem, tell why you chose it, and yeah, and then show your features and how it satisfy your problem. Okay, and your UI should just work in the sense every part of it should work, meaning that it should be functional. Okay, and yeah, we will ask these questions, guys. Now the first thing is your problem real and specific? So whatever problem you got in specific in the sense, since we already gave you an abstract problem, don't take that problem, that is not specific. You have to identify the crucial pain points in those supply chain or whatever between these two stakeholders, that is the vendor and the supplier, right? And is the solution functional and tested? Tested in the sense, you don't have to just show us proof that you tested it. We don't want that. Tested in the sense, just see before submitting, see that whether your whole web app works as intended. Okay. And third point is the idea unique or just another clone? Is something unique in your idea? This fourth point, guys, is your video clear and compelling for us? See, most of you, please don't bore us with the video where you show us your login screen. Just follow the format which I gave. Finally, is the UX. We are also looking for how well is your design thinking, because as a product builder, you need to know, I mean, basic UX also, right? So yeah, we'll see, is your UX simple and usable? Okay, and yeah, the winner gets 5,000, and yeah, everybody gets a participation certificate, guys, if you participate in this hackathon. And as well as we'll send a feedback form, and there you have to fill your name, so we match it, and then we give you the participation certificate, and you will get the participation as a winner and the winner result announcement on by next Sunday. Okay. Okay, that's a wrap. Now let me just, so if somebody has, I mean, has been talking on YouTube, I mean, texting, I did not read any of you guys' text. So now let me just move to the problem statement document quickly. Can you guys see the problem statement document? I hope so. Drop a yes if you can. Are you guys clear till now? Hindi in demo video, okay. Yeah, okay, no, not a problem. But English is preferred since if you use Hindi, some of our judges won't be able to evaluate properly. Okay, so there is a language problem. Um, Can you provide? But I can look clear. Okay, now let me just show you the whole brief. So here's the background. You can read this, the Indian street food thing and all of it. And yeah, you, as I said, you can use whatever stack you want. The problem, we have explained you the problem. What you have to do, AI is allowed, and what you should not do. You should not copy an existing app. You should not solve a generic problem. You should avoid dumping every idea, as I said. Don't make ton of features that work half. Make even one feature, but that feature should work completely. Okay? And objectives of this hackathon is that this whole event's objective is to make you guys collaborate and use your creativity. Because in other hackathons, what happens is they give you a problem, and what happens? They give you a solution. That means they'll tell, I want this. But here we did not tell what we want. We just gave you the problem. This unlocks your creativity to solve a very broad and abstract problem. Okay. Now, here you'll learn the process of product building, including ideation, design, development, and pitching, and the whole of it. And you will build a minimum demonstrable product, that is a MDP for the problem. Okay, as I said, the solution is digital based solution only. Design guidelines, you can use whatever you want. It could be StatCN, it could be Material UI, or it could be iOS, whatever. Now, taking the example scenario. See, let's say the broad problem that we gave was this, right? The street food, blah, blah, blah. Now, the bad solution that you guys could come up with is making a landing page. See, guys, we do not need landing page where it showcases your feature. Okay, do not create landing pages. We need the actual working solution. A good solution could be a web app where vendors can search verified suppliers nearby, or they can compare prices, they can place group orders, or even track delivery. Okay, now this example is just for your understanding. Don't take this, okay? If you take this, we won't evaluate. Don't take this idea. Now, as I said, deliverables are only three. Do not copy from any source. Evaluation criteria has been given here. And the tips to win for you, posting on LinkedIn, timeline, everything I just explained in the PPT. You'll get the submission link here. See, most of you guys just come to me and ask where is the solution. Solution link is here only. We won't be personally sending in the group. So you have to go to the problem statement document and find the link here. Resources, these are the three best resources which I have found for you guys. So you guys can go through this. Uh, it has very less duration only, so you can watch. Now, who this is for, as I said, and a note for you, you guys can read if you want. Yep. And FAQs are there, you can read. But yeah, overall, it is cool. Now, let me address your questions. So, if you have any questions, please do ask. Runner prize. Samavanna, yeah, you can. Should we add payment gateways? From where can we get this? We'll send it in the group. If you don't have any question, guys, you guys can leave. Thank you for joining today. WhatsApp group is full. You can contact the admin. So how to submit our solution? Solution link is given. solution living. Do we need to host the site? Exactly, you have to, otherwise we won't be able to evaluate it. Yeah, you can get help from AI. Yeah, yeah, Suryanshu. The word functional means you have to do everything. It should work seamlessly. Every part of your solution should work completely. So that's the whole point of it. You can use any API, whatever you want. Do whatever you want. The solution should be functional and the problem that you solve should be real. Front and back and everything should be connected, guys. Can be any topic related to street food? No, street food related to sourcing, raw material sourcing. You can read it, you'll get the idea. See, raw materials. That's the whole point. Will in the submission link, guys, you'll find it. So if you go to submission link, I'll just show you. Let it just load. Yep. So here, your team name, your team member name, email ID. Please just do as it has been given. Otherwise, we can't format it, so you won't get your certificate. So the comma and the spacing, everything should be perfect. And your name, please give your full name. This is what we'll use for certificate. Team members' WhatsApp number, and yeah, your final code, the deployed link, okay, and the demo video, and LinkedIn is here. Your LinkedIn link should be here, and any feedback that you have for us. That's it. We don't need anything else. Bro, in database bring Windows, where can we get the data of salesperson? That's your point, dude. You have to talk to people to find solution. How to find WhatsApp group for people from Unstop. I didn't get a point. If is it front end central or back end? It is both. It is a full stack. Could I do it as solo as my? Yeah, yeah, you can. But most. अरे भाई तन्मय ढोले बहुत देर से you are trying to tell it, dude. It's not funny, bro. If you want, you can upload, bro, there. But nobody will see. Who will want to see you? Okay, Sayed, now the group is full. Yeah, you can contact the admin. They'll add you to another group. AI models. Yeah, yeah, you can. Specific constraint? No, 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 no. There is no constraint. You can do whatever. Just that it should be fully functional. Fully functional. The front end should work, back end should work. Whatever algorithms that you put should work. Every button should work. Every field should work. That's the whole thing. We can it visuals. There is no visible link for the WhatsApp groups. I can find it. You might have been added to a group. Otherwise, you can contact the admin. Rakshit, yes, 5 minutes. It should be 5 minutes because in every hackathon, it is I think 2 or 3 minutes only. So yeah, your pitch should be 5 minutes. Functional more or beautiful UI? Depends on you, Ankit Shah. The whole idea is we need functional UI. If you can make it better, that means the design was if you can make it better, you get more points. That's the whole thing. Where is the problem statement? Yeah, we'll send it in the group. Stream Ravel. Yeah, you can. Any free hosting service. You can use Netlify or Vercel. Provide some API. No, we are not providing any API. Should we add payment gateway? Raven, it's your problem, bro. You can add if you want. What if backend isn't but is showing in? No, we won't accept it, Shivam Thakur. The point is we need a completely working solution. Any free hosting service? Nope. Time for last submission is 11:59 p.m. on 27 July. That is Sunday, the end of Sunday. App or web? Web. What about shipping infrastructure? I didn't get you. Also, yeah, Aditya Sharma, as I said, there should be unique features, na? If you can add unique AI, UI, AI, so that's a unique feature. Any social, Yeah, you can use your own design, Rakshit. Where to submit the video? In the submission form that I showed just right now. So team name, team member's name. Here, record your solution. Upload it on Google Drive. Okay, upload it on Google Drive, and you're just good to go. And make the thing public, guys. Make it public. All right. The link where we have to find cart and payment also. Depends on you, bro. Whatever solution you're bringing in, if you think that having payment gateway in that would just elevate the experience, just add it. Can we use AI bots? Yeah, you can. Any mentorship session? Nope, 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 nope. Pay gateway, test mode or real user mode? Test mode only, na? Desi code. It'll work for test mode only, na? How will you have? Sir, Gurful, I'm unable to join. So I am giving you a point of contact. Okay, guys, I'm giving you a point of contact. Let me give it to you. Yep. So this is the point of contact, guys. Wait a minute. Let me just share the point of contact. I haven't shared it yet. No voice. Yes, Ankit Shah, you are right. So if you guys don't have any question, you may leave. If you want something like Swiggy, Zomato, depends on you. If you think that solution is amazing, you can. I can't tell you, no. So if you don't have any doubt, guys, you can leave. Is it essential? Yes, Krishna more. Yes, it is essential. Okay, I'm sharing you guys a link which you may share. Wait, I am sharing you a group link, guys. I think I'll be sharing you a group link. Okay, so I'm sharing you a group link where you can join. Yep. You can join this group, guys. And if you don't have any doubt, you can leave. This mobile interface is compulsory. No, we need web app. Web app. It should work on website where the judges can just open and they can see. Okay. So how will we get participation certificate? You'll get it next week when we reveal the winners. Allowed to do an app convert to APK. No, sir, no, sir. Sorry, we can't. Buying platform renders. It's your problem. You have to understand. First, find the problem. Like we gave you the abstract problem. You have to identify tiny ones. Yes, Prapti, you can join as one person if your teammates left. This website can work. It should work. So it can work. It should work, bro. One platform for an okay guys, so I'll be ending this stream right now. So I hope you guys are ready and you guys have started doing your thing. So yeah, let's just take a break. All the best. I'll see you next week where I'll be announcing the winners. Till then, take care and bye bye.